Morning everyone. Here we update on morning start, update on EURJPY from yesterday, and this is we have to look from yesterday. This is from M1 monthly is here, weekly. So the developing 1 hour. This is from Asian markets. It start from here. Since this morning to microscopic details of 1 hour to 15 minutes, the prices go sideways. What I'm looking for is some doji sign, some struggle sign of the test. I'm looking for to sell on this. Where do I sell? That's the question. Do the sell will work? That's the question. This need to be test 2 level. First level is this line. Second level is this. Let's go look for 15 minutes in the biggest picture. So I want to have this level and this level. This is my position. I'm still running. This is a stop loss, and what I'm gonna do is I put stop loss down to protect, because it looks like it's strong coming up approach to my level. So I rather like to put it just a little bit for my cost of holding the trade over the night. If it's come back here, it will take out of my stop loss, but I'll make some small thing. Take profit is way down there. So the take profit. Okay, what's happening now? This is what is this for the test of Bandicam is running. It's good. Now I'm back. I just have to check really the order of the week, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, we have to say that we are here on the top of the higher time frame. That microscopic to 3 minute higher time frame. What it say? It say up, but doji here. Let's go to look from higher time frame down. So it's 3 times triple top that touching this area, but the buyer cannot do anything. So now the seller has to work. They turn now to push the price down to give the discount price to the buyer. What they're looking for is the buyer. If there's the buyer, they will not give more discount. Then the price shift back to the north. The buyer would gain control. This is weekly. This is monthly. Let's go to weekly. Weekly is just start here, like I mentioned before. I'm not gonna say it again. We go quickly down to daily. Daily show a little bit more of sideways in the range mode, and now underneath in the bottom of the range that we should thinking the buyer, and many people will think buy low, sell high. That many people will looking for the signal to buy, to looking for when the seller finish their job, and then chip the ball to the buyer to play. So we're waiting for that. That's the day daily. Let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours is, say what, is come very intense in this area where the memories, everybody waiting for, looking for the sideways market, and a little taste, not a big sideways market like this big range, but tiny range that the signal for me is like they're cooking. Anything gonna explode soon if there is there. This is the where it's gonna start. I hope they make the test one for the trying to go down. They don't get a good happy price, go back to get this level to test, because they need to get the price higher and see if the seller will coming back by testing this level. And this show that the market belong to the seller at this oh, where is that? I'm lost. Monthly, weekly, daily, there, here, 4 hours. Yeah, here they have to fight. I don't see any fight. That means no trade, no sideways market, no talking. I want to see if the seller finished their job yet. The trade is ready to go change direction yet. So 1 hour just start to form, and soon London market's opening. I'm just gonna take a quick check update on this thing. 15 minutes. Okay, they seem like the seller is not interesting yet. They want the discounts also, you know. They're looking for the buyer. If the buyer there, they were not gonna sell. The buyer will move the price up. They're not gonna give any discount price for the buyer. When the buyer come very strongly like this, I'm very concerned why they are coming so high. I haven't checked the news yet today. So they start to challenge the first level, make the for the test. The is mean the test. Get ready for the test. They come to the level where it's very strong, and test one, move up here, nothing yet. Try again. They cannot break through this level, so I can call a new level out of this range. So this range is compromise range where they're gonna take off or they're gonna drop. So this is crucial, and this is 15 minutes. Let's go down further. 15 minutes, there will be 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is, I moved my stop loss here, and this is I haven't put take profit yet. I'm trying to figure out how can I put take profit. I want to put somewhere down here because I'm in a hurry. I'm just, not check up my, where is my take profits. Let's see. Let's do it now. Move my stop loss back, take my profit. Right. Okay, this is my take profit. Since it's gonna be just here, I don't know yet if the markets move, but to make sure I make the money and make sure that this guy doesn't get me, if it come back, turn back to me. Okay, now 5 minutes show that the first V formation that tests this seller here. This is they're waiting for New York markets open. I don't know what's the time. It's very close now for not New York, for London market open. and I have to check to the new. Okay, this is the new I've just been checking with the AI. My AI is not able to sleep until the 19th Feb. All I can use is his text to type and asking for the news report, and this time I have to do it on my own without the AI. There is the question to ask the AI to report me from the market. I asked him news even from the Asian. Is this wrong? The Asian market to London report for the impact for the market sentimental. I don't know if I write if he understands this. Let's ask him. So he give me the answer. This is how you use the AI to make the news impact report. You have to read it and make me pause it for reading. Market from the higher time frame, just the seller has to start, because monthly is have no sign of sideways market. It's just a little ding, and you can see the detail here, more detail. Monthly, weekly, and daily is just on the lower bottom of the range, and this is the lower bottom of the range. Just this leg here show, so they just start to fighting. 1 hour, this should be 4 hours. I need to 4 hours. No, not here. Here will do. Easier, faster. 4 hours. So this is a little thing here. This from here to here is this just here to here. So this is like they just form up the new level of the test at the bottom of the range, and at this is the level here, and this is all of this is just here, a bottom of the range. So we're looking for the detail. What is trying to pull back of the buyer, show that if they want to continue the price up, they have to break at least this level, and this level is still far away. Look here, from here to here, and think about this is 3 minutes. 3 minutes is, we will look at the 15 minutes is tracing from here, and it's still far away from the guy who started. So this is my line. You don't come more than this. I will cut stop loss to keep my little bit profit, but I hope not. I wanted to go like this is the test one, and this is the test two. A little both not challenge this the guy who started, or the candle, the key candle that responsible for the move market down, to give the discount price for the buyer. And right now the buyer that are liking the discount price, or somebody trying to take the money away, catching out and pull back a little bit. For those guys who not coming back right, get back in yet, or those guys who think this is a big strong move, it could be a good counter trend to do things like this, because this price is not a good satisfaction price for the buyer yet. So they want to move even lower to get a better price, to looking for the buyer, so they can looking for the seller so they can buy, you know, or look, I don't know. This is like a fight around here. I have to look for the signal of the weakening or the rejection, either buy or sell. If I sell, it's just gonna be a counter trend sell. I won't keep it so long on the over the night or something. It's just gonna short, because the market is hot on moving. It's up to the new higher hierarchy level, overall high. over all-time high. That's the words I try to remember. Okay, that's how it is, and we will check with the here bigger full size. Okay, we can see a clearly picture a level that they need to challenging. Already this guy take a second leg, challenge this the second the key level that they need to push over through, and look like they have tried with a big, not a big candle compare is like the same, but only that they only green here with small same side of candle to compare to the left side. It means that the seller take away the gas pedal. They don't do anything. They just let somebody who take the money out, catching out, or somebody want to buy and fighting, they let go, and their level is here. Don't come to my territory. I will show you something, and that's what I need to see if the buyer will get through this area. The seller has to do something now, because it's otherwise this will be the buyer get breaching easily and maintain the ground up there, and that's the next 2 or 3 hours until the New York market open. This is the 5 minutes to get bigger. Sometimes it's lower time frame doesn't have the power to move the market. You have to look at the higher time frame to see the father of the, you know, the godfather of all time frame is the higher time frame. So this is now we are in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is like, okay, since last night from Asian Open is here. They're trying to move the price back up, but they cannot get through yet. According to the New York market, holding on the non-farm payroll, they may going up a little bit according to the news. If there is a new support, they can break through this area. I will pay attention, see if he can really be real to get through this level, and that level, if it is a test 1 and test 2 with a weakening power, because remember, this seller need to show their strength. Maybe they haven't not done what they intend to do yet. So we keep eye on this. This is the 15 minute. Let's go back to 1 hour. 1 hour is just small thing happen. Actually, 1 hour is middle of everything for me. It should have a test 1 and then test 2 up around here, this area, and then bring market down in the halfway and to a hotspot for the make the decision again, and then go up, go down, or go up, go down here. So they need time to do this, and today is non-farm payroll and a lot of news coming to impact the market. So this could be interesting to keep the eye on for the New York market. So far nothing seem to happening yet, and I already put my alert, and the things when they touch something will alert me so I can come and look. So already putting in is a little bit higher, because I think if it's put too close, it's like nothing gonna be so much different, because you need to show some respect. If you're gonna do a discount price, you don't say, okay, this is 100 price, I discount you 99.5 or something like that. Come on, it's gotta be real worth enough price. It's the price war, it's a game of price. So if I don't get a good price, I'm not gonna sell it. So the buyer have to move up to my level, then I can sell it. So what I'm looking for is test 1, test 2 fell a little bit small, fighting to show that they need to blow up, and then take a bridge to break out from that range show the direction, then we go along with this. So far nothing happening yet, so let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hour is even worse here. Look at this, the big all-time high, I mean the big key level where they're gonna have an issue here for the 7. Hi there, hi everyone again. Here we are. I'm back after setup for a while. Now we set up the display for XAUUSD from top down approach. XAUUSD monthly is up in the sky. XAUUSD weekly is up in the sky. Can show a little bit of ding what they had been doing here for the one red candle is to show up detail here. So they go on sideways. The buyers step up the game, jack up the price. So this is the price that they've been jacking up from here to here. It show here how much of the green buyer and seller fighting, and this is the number 4 hour chart. They start to show a little bit sideways, but it doesn't show on the daily. So 4 hour is there. 1 hour show even more detail on this area here now. So this is the USD XAUUSD on the sideways. Not much of what it show here, but 15 minutes you get one pullback. The buyer doesn't give up their throne since they come up so far, so they move it up, but they cannot get higher high. So I make the candlestick smaller to see the detail of the line that where they fight at what key issue level. So that is, this key issue level is important now, since we are up on the top of the sky in monthly time frame, and here where we are in detail of 3 minutes time frame. They go on the sideways. Right now it is come close to the New York. It's 12 something. The New York market is open soon, so non-farm payroll, that's the news everybody will expect and waiting for. Even though here they are start to go on the sideways, no price not going anywhere yet. The 15 minutes is good to see a little bit what happening, but on the high time frame is nothing happening at all. So there is no price for us to buy because it's so high. We are pullback buy trader, so we have to wait for the price to pull back. So that's what is XAUUSD so far. I will not coming back here to check until I finish with Bitcoin. So the next one is Bitcoin. Let's see how it go with Bitcoin. Just a quick look on it. Hi again, this is the Bitcoin now. Bitcoin chart from weekly, from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Weekly is up in the sky. Markets belong to the buyer. Up in the sky. Weekly, monthly, weekly. Monthly just one few candle. Weekly is a lot more to show of this what red and this candle doing. So they are still not show any test level where we could read to get in. It's just a sideways big chunk, small narrow sideways market at this level. Day one sideways market is like a big mess, but not show any sign of breaking out from this range yet. if the buyer want to step up the game, they have to dashing out from this key level of being in range. This range of 1 day daily candle is shown in the 4 hour at this area. They are now squeezed. This squeeze, both party fight for this price. Who gonna take the lead? And this squeeze on 4 hour has shown here in 1 hour chart that what we see now is the red are stronger than the buyer. The buyer is struggle to move the price, breach the next level of the seller. The seller is still looking for the buyer, but there is no buyer that's significant to show that they want to move the price up north. This is the last night from 1 o'clock to until today. It's come just this far, just this much, and just this much is here, this much of the 15 minutes, so we can see the detail of the buyer searching up at whatever news coming here at Asian market or Australian market that's open. That momentum make them move toward to the center line of the Bollinger Band. Above here the Bollinger Band break through and get to the upper line of the Bollinger Band. And just take a quick peek on divergence if there is any divergence. So this up and up, they follow, that's healthy. So this is the detail of the 1 hour here. A whole morning, a whole Asian market somewhere around here, then London market couldn't take out the yesterday high or the yesterday low. They are right in the middle. Look like they blew up a channel to zigzag down, and now from this channel down here turn to be range, and now we are official be in the range on 1 hour chart. To move down to 15 minutes to see a little bit detail, that's what we got here. Red coming back. It's their turn now. If they want to move the market down, they have to make it now. Otherwise, the market will shift and testing the next level guy of the seller at this level or higher. So this is what they do. The detail of what they have, what they put up with. We have to read who is gaining control of the market. Buyers is now get a chance to struggling. Look at the size. Shopee struggle to move up the price, to manage this guy to get overdrive him and move beyond to the next level. And that next level in 1 hour is not yet over, because this is the waiting key issue, and I shall put the alarms on. Let's see. Let's look in the higher picture, the bigger picture. So I put alarm on here, which is, I think this is my acceptable price at this level, because it's being touched and many times. So I put the alert price to call me, to ring the bell or whatever to me at here. And I'm looking for to make an action to the market. So I want to be concerned about this price. I will put bid price selling list and notify me when bid higher or equal to 38649. Create alert. So now I get the alert in. So that when they reach this, which is in I expect the NFT non-farm payroll will have something to do. If it's reached the bell ring, and I will know that I have to careful watch this very closely to see what they are up to. Who gonna take the lead, up or down, doji, or by looking for a doji sign of rejection and so on at this area. So this is like they have been through here V formation, test one, whatever. They've been test back, move back to here, breaching through this guy. It's just a fake breakout bull trap, and after that the price drop. They're selling, they're piling up, selling, looking for the buyer. Where is the buyer? The buyer is dead. When they see this coming big, this all buyer down here say, oh, I'm not going to be there, I'm going to bail out. So that was happened. So cling to the center line of the Bollinger Band, and everything looks like they're giving up, they run away. So the buyer, somebody take a profit, and some take the stop loss hit, propel the direction more because of the stop loss hit, and many people look at this, they understand it, there's no more buyer here anymore. They're looking for this struggle of the buyer coming first time. Okay, if you come back with second time, I'm smashing you. And with this struggle signal of buyer, so they got smashed down. And this next level now is bouncing back so little, the higher time frame will never see this, and moving down further, bridge this key level line, and then go pulling back at respect to this SLR, moving the price down even further, and bridge all over time low that look back in the left, there is none. So he bridged very low now with one big red candle with a strong wick on the bottom, and that's the end. And they have to not, they have, for me not end that, because they have to have a test here. The big player must have a time consuming to take in order, to have them order fill. If they just go up like that, not good. They won't bring it back down here to get their price anyhow anyway. So this is just like, if you are in now, they move back up like this, so quick like this, no test. Be careful that they will come and get the better price even lower than this. Okay, that's the Bitcoin 1 hour, and we go back to the chart, every chart lineup. So that is look promising, like in the 3 minutes it's going up and jump up, jack up the price, and they cannot jack up the price no more at this level, and then the price drop. Now they're fighting on this. We'll see, wait and see if they're gonna respect this key level or move a little bit further to just trying to show that I am the channel start to build up. Which channel I want to build is maybe this one, halfway of this. Hi again. This is now I set up GBP daily across the board. According to GBP yesterday, something had happened to GBP yesterday. I didn't remember, but today I just get right on because I know that something happened to GBP. There's the price surge. But before we go to the detail of 4 hour and 1 hour, we're looking for this GBP USD. A little bit down. Price is pulling back for the buyer to think about if they're a good price for them or not. And GBP GBP is sideways at the lower of the range, and why not we're looking for like this. Make it just a quick look to see the really picture on this. So this is like the direction start to challenge this the guy who started buyer, and they give a very strong discount price, and the buyer managed to bring the price back to the SLR where they had it before and stay on the sideways. So this guy has been breached. If it's already breached, many people who release from being trapped here will be released, and this is unfold, no more dangerous for whatsoever. Change price move high extreme because of the stop loss hits and taking profit of whatsoever. Now it's been touched, been breached. The breach, that mean on my sense is like they can get out and they have to pull back in to make a slightly channel to move away from this area. Channel up like this, or channel down like this. Anything possible can be happen. So this is the key level area that when they fight, where they fight with this this guy GBP. What this guy GBP cat? No, GBP. What was that? The first one. Look, it is the first one. So GBP USD. Okay, even though I'm lost sometime, you know. GBP USD go along with cat. GBP Swiss franc, or cat and Swiss franc. Okay, I put Swiss franc here. Let's look at GBP and Swiss franc. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I should do. Look at that. I destroy my. Oh no! I should do here, or I do here. What was that? GBP cat daily up in the sky, sideways market, pull back for those guys who cannot get in yet. Get in. Those guys get in already, but no high. Sell, give more discount price to get a better price. Those guys who get in there already will lose because they take profit. Oh no, they stop loss probably here, but anyway, they still the key level is here, so they still fight on the sideward line. I put the alert to alert me when the price come down here and price come up here. I'll be interesting to see, even here I want to see what happening. So that's sideways market up in the sky for the GBP cat. Euro GBP is downhill, daily candles downhill. Seller market control this, but the buyer is said no, you no more going down at this level. I like this price, I take it, step up the price, step in, make the price reach back to where the guy who started is look like challenging with V formation. So if there is a V formation, check if is this healthy or not. Divergent coming here, this here, not so clearly. Okay, I can see, accept that this and here start to slightly going back. Divergent said I'm going back, so sideways a little bit for the test before the jump. Not really just get through, but it's strong. We have to respect that, see what he can do. That's what it is. The Euro GBP, Euro is dropped for the last, I don't know, weeks. So now is fighting at support level SLR. see what happening to Euro GBP. Let's go to the next. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. Euro GBP was downhill. Now GBP New Zealand. It's because GBP is swapped to the front before it's Euro in the front. When the GBP in the front, this means GBP is up. It's a buyer market. GBP just start to pull back to make a what so-called test, but since they are so desperate, look like there is not much of a test for us to read to get in. They just jack up the price, give the discount. Okay, jack up the price and buy everything you have. But the buy this the last here is not so promising that they will break through this because they pull back for those guys who haven't get in yet just to get in. But when they get in, it's not perform. That's we have to keep eye look on that. GBP New Zealand, same thing. New Zealand and Australia, GBP Australia is uphill. It's the same family, sister pair, Australia and New Zealand. So the buyers jack up the price, pull back, and buyer come back in, look the same like GBP New Zealand. So this is all the GBP. Just I hang Bitcoin in there and just to look my extra interest. They're still on the sideways at the daily, and daily need to show if this trade belong to daily. If that is belong to daily, the daily will go quickly to make the test 1, test 2. This is not test 2, test 1. The whole thing is set 1, and set 2 is if they got set 2 already not going. They already test this guy doing nothing. That's supposed to go down all the way down to here. So this is the Bitcoin has to test if it belong to this daily time frame. It will go very quick, but see how long it been hanging around here, going nowhere. No even a good sign of test 2. What who gonna test the buyer? It must be test on this way instead, because it's the buyer market. So V formation, no sign of, look in the left is like above overall high time frame. So it's very more likely that we have to follow the trend. But since it's not going anywhere, we're gonna do some counter trend just to take trade in the range. Okay, something here in the middle of the range now. So they are squeezed. Somebody who been here will be squeezed because no one. I mean, it is logic. It's logic, but you have to sell from the high, from the upper top of the range, and buy from the bottom of the range to be able to make some margin benefit. Okay, that's the Bitcoin. Let's go back to the whole picture. Okay, okay, this is like 1 2 3 4 5 6. My 7, where is my 7? Some is losing, so let's go check. Okay, here 230 GBP doesn't show up. Yeah, mortgage GBP 7.4, but just now it's interesting that US average hourly earnings 4.1 is give it green. So we have to look at the green first, then we'll go look for the detail. Earning average is green, mostly green, except non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll from 307 to 143k is red. Non-farm payroll America is red. What is this here? 62 participation rate 62.6, gain better than 62.5. so 2 red. Private non-farm payroll is also red. US unemployment rate 7.5, unemployment rate 4.1 to 40. Unemployment rate is reduced. Employment change 179.1k to 76.0k. It's less, but it's more than what they expect. That's why you get green. 25 to 76, but it's still less. Canada is unemployment rate is less, not good. Employment rate is less, it's not good, because before employ more than now. Unemployment rate is before this and now is less. So Canada mixture of everything. Okay, so next 51 minutes is something news coming up, but we go back to the chart and see what happening. This is my alarm. USDJPY is activate at price 152. Condition bid more than or equal price. Comment. Okay. USJPY. We have to go back to the USJPY. USJPY is 152. Which USJPY? Wow, it's a big long wick. Well, now here also GBP USD, a big long wick everywhere. Now the New York market's open, so no panic. Look for the direction, which way the big player move the market to. You know that intention that you have to follow, but we are pulled back by, so we wait for to see what happened. Okay, I will make a quick look at my recording, see how it go. It will still record. Bandicam, where are you? Here. Alright, 4 minutes all been recorded. Now we look at GBP USD at 15 minutes all across the board. The GBP is dropped down like a, not everyone is dropped down except GBP CAD. GBP USD is fluctuates with the long wick tail, rejection zone, rejection candle, doji. So this is 5 minutes, guy. We go to 1 hour. Let's see, to see more bigger area to design. How do we decide to get in on this pair or not? GBP yesterday was bad news, and now they're searching up and they're moving up the price to where it is today, from this Asian market opening until London, and now New York market opening, they got the price snatching down. Somebody don't like GBP today, they're gonna dump it, but you never know. Maybe it's just a trap for those guys who not really wait for this settle down. You just get right in, you will get yourself burned. I've been burned many times that way. So you have to wait for that direction to settle, and you, oh, Ring bell. New Zealand Swiss franc is ringing. New Zealand Swiss franc. We take this. We do this. What happened? What did it just do? Oh, okay. Something happening. So I'll go for Bitcoin, changing to what? It's just New Zealand Swiss franc. I need New Zealand Swiss franc. So we go to here, change directly to New Zealand NZDCHF. New Zealand Swiss franc. Why they ring me the bell? 1 hour, they hit something. Alert. No, I don't want to do that again. I want to go from here. Okay, where is the price that they hit the bell? Is somewhere here. This is where they hit, and when it hit, this yellow line is gone, and that means it's already hit somewhere around here. So I have to mark New Zealand Swiss franc and many of the pair that who possibly come to match my setup, and I have to look accordingly for the next 1 or 2 candle of 1 hour candle or 15 minutes. Best is 1 hour, 2 candle pass, then you can really see what the direction is. So far, if you're looking for the direction right now, the big boy is trying to take this price because it's good enough price for them. In that way, I buy it. Good enough price for me, I buy it. 2 legs up. Okay, I have more sell to you. Discount price, you interesting? Okay, I interesting. Just trying to zigzag up like a what is this? Train up and then channel. So the buyer is like, okay, you have more stuff, I will buy. But what happened? How you look at your buy is like small, like struggle. So but they managed to get through this area. Rebel leg 1, leg 2, not really leg 2, but they are desperate enough to step up the game, reach to this area. There's key level where is the big guy who responsible for this 2 guy. They have to say something. This is what my job, what our job is, to go to lower time frame and trying to sell this. Why do we sell? We have to look at the higher market. So the higher time frame is selling market. Big boy is selling. So we have to go with the big boy, big institute of money, big bank, whatever we go. So you see, it's always downhill. Now they're searching up, but they need 2 tests at least. Maybe the buyer maybe the seller just let them do what they want to do until they show the test second, the test 2. You haven't not test anything yet. Only here test. They get the price, they move it down, and to get a better price before they go up. So this price was not enough, so they have to come down lower to get this price. That's what it's looked from the